Well, it's been a couple days. It's had plenty of time to dry. So, I'm about to bust it open. Alright. Thanks, sir. Okay, so what I did is I left a piece uncut right here, so that way when I finish up there, it won't fall out. I'll still have to cut that little piece. And then I put, so I can start on it's too hard making that sharp turn, so I put the extra holes in it. Oh, you guys see that, it just makes it easier to make the turn. And then, like I said, I left a little notch right here so it don't just fall out. I don't know if you can see this. I got a 16th. Looks like I got about a little less than a 16th, I think, of glue in between the wood. I don't think that's good, but I don't think it's bad either. I think it's still strong. Oh yeah, man, I'll be done in a little bit, Scott. I'm almost done myself, man. I'm just gonna sand this down a little bit. I'll be out too, man. I want a dime to set it in there and see how it match up. Look at that. Oh, you know what? I think that piece came like that, huh? Yeah. I was looking at that too. not good for your back. What I'm trying to do is just flatten out the edges and get that glue off that was on the that glue where I glued it on the wrong side and flipped it upside down. Because I don't think the resin won't sink in right if it got that glue on there. Hey Scott, what do you think of this? You think I should grind that all the way down? But then I don't want it to be. Yeah, that's on the top. I mean, the real important part is right here that this is even. I'm probably going to go over that just a little bit more by hand. But I was basically just trying to get the glue off. There's a couple more spots that I got to still get. Like this stuff I can fill in with peanut butter with the thickened resin. This, I don't know. Maybe. I don't know if it got wet or... But marine grade plywood, you think a little water wouldn't... But I want to say it was like that when I bought it. I can't remember. I think I'm going to sand down that black spot a little more. It's kind of bothering me. Okay. I just don't like that black, man. It looks too much like rotten meat, man. Shoot. I want all my wood white. Well, let me see. Hopefully it comes right off. Yeah, it's just that top layer. Okay, there it is. I couldn't wait to put it in. But there it is. I think that brown is the way that is. I'm not sure. I might take just a little bit more off. But I think it's okay like that. You guys let me know what you think. I had wanted to PL my transom, but I think I'm at the peanut butter because there's a lot of space back there. It's like some spaces have like a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch void. Well, not quite a half. Well, maybe a half in some spots. Like right there. But, yeah. That's how it came out. I see I got some trimming to do. It's not bad. I did pretty good, actually. It's a couple spots. Like right here. Oops. Yeah, there's a couple of spots, but it's not bad at all. I just gotta do a little, I just gotta do a little trimming. Anyway, I gotta get out of here. Scott's getting ready for Bible study. I don't want the worshipers tripping over my tools, so let me get going. I'll see you guys.